Ooh, this is a great topic that's very exciting that I would love to talk to you guys about. Best car brands to sell, okay? This is a fun topic, and I'm going to give you guys my honest recommendations based off two things: my experience and the brands that when I get these vehicles, they're literally sold within the next 24 hours, constantly, over and over and over again, okay? So first, I'll talk about all the brands that I sell: Acura, Chevy, Chrysler, Dodge, Ford, Jeep, Kia, Mazda, Mercury, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Pontiac, Saturn, Subaru, Toyota, Volkswagen. Believe it or not, I just recited all those brands from memory in alphabetical order because I literally am in search of them so often, okay? So I cannot make these up. These are the brands that I sell. Anyway, out of all these brands, I just cited by far the top three that I would recommend to any flipper, and that I know for a fact that when you get these top three brands in, you can just consider them sold. It's only a matter of time. Top three car brands to resell to flip for profit, in my experience, are number one, Honda, number two, Toyota, and number three, Chevy. I guess there is something to be said that the first two are foreign. Chevy is American. But what I can say without a shadow of a doubt is that these are my top three brands. They do well all over the country. I flipped cars from New York to Florida, from Pennsylvania to California. And over time, these are the top three brands that sell the best, meaning when I get them in, they're gone almost immediately. The cheapest to make repairs, and last but certainly not least, the most trusted brands based off of my experience, okay? Hondas and Toyotas, they're in a class of their own, okay? It's like a known understanding that they are solid vehicles, that they last well beyond 250,000 plus miles, okay? There's a saying that Hondas, Toyotas, they literally run forever. Like, this is common knowledge in the car flipping community between both sellers and buyers of used vehicles. Everyone loves these cars, Hondas and Toyotas. You get them in, they're going to be gone quickly. It's like a common understanding. Cars enthusiasts understand this, okay? And then Chevy is just known to be a solid and reliable car brand. It's a popular brand. When well kept and well maintained, this has contributed to my success in selling lots of Chevy vehicles. While it's true, if you buy correctly, every brand I mentioned has great resale value. Honda, Toyota, Chevy are top three amongst vehicles that resell for what they're worth in the quickest amount of time. Last point I like to make: always buy correctly, because although these cars are top three brands, it is still very possible that you can buy a Honda, Toyota, or Chevy with a blown motor or rotten frame. So still don't just buy blindly. Always do your proper due diligence and your proper mechanics before purchasing a vehicle. But more often than not, these are the top three brands you want to buy. Almost all the time you can find a sweet deal on one. Even if you have to put a little money into it, it is worth it. It is worth it. It is worth it, because you will make your money back with large profits, because they are just that good of an investment to flip. Hope this helps you in your car search, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay wealthy.